guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be unboxing Ipsy September. They sent me the PR box for September. Here is the Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. If you guys don't know what Ipsy is a beauty subscription. They have the $12 a month membership, which it brings 5 Sample Deluxe size beauty items. And the Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month, and it includes 5 full-size beauty items. And I believe on September they're going to increase $1 for the Glam Bag, which will be $13 a month, and the Glam Bag Plus they're going to increase it to $28 a month because they will be including more expensive and luxurious brands. They're going to make the Glam Bags better. That's why they do increase like a couple of dollars in order to increase the experience for the members. So I'm really happy about that, and I can't wait to see the amazing goodies that October is going to bring. But now let's focus on September and let's get to the unboxing. All right, so here's the box. Let me show you first the card for the theme of this month, which is really cute, and it says that September is back to work, school, life. Hashtag IpsyBackTo. So it says that work, school, life, whether you're rushing into the office again, commuting and wearing lipstick, or catching up on a much needed self-care, get back into the swing of things in style. Okay, so first of all, the theme, the colors is really cute. I love that. So let's see the bags. So this is a Glam bag. It's a really pretty bag that you could even take it out on the go. I really like this, and I actually like this style. Like I said, I've seen it on all of my videos on Ipsy when they do this envelope style. I use it to like go out with my outfit, and it's really cute. And inside is a yellow, and I love this combination of brown and yellow and black. It's just gorgeous. Now the Glam Bag Plus is one of these string bags, which is always helpful to carry a lot of stuff, like when you go travel and stuff. I really like this. Now let's start to the unboxing, all of the items one by one. Note that I do not have the price or like a description of all the items. I just see it like as it is, and all I can do is read a little bit about what the outside of the box of the item says. And like I said, I don't have the price or either know like which goes which, because sometimes it's dispersed around in the box and I don't know which item goes where. I could only like imagine and tell you guys what I think. So first item I see here, and I'm already in love with it. It's from the brand Murad, and this is a wonderful skincare brand. I use it all the time. The quality is on point. And this is the Acne Control Rapid Relief Acne Spot Treatment. Reduces blemish, size, and redness within 4 hours. Okay, I love this. Right, like immediately when I saw Murad, I know I was gonna love this. And if it's something for like spot treatment for acne, I adore it. So I am all in it for this. So I really like this. This is like my #1. Next item is from the brand Il Maquillage, and this is the Color Boss Squad Multi-Dimensional Eye Color Quad, and it's called Color Boss Squad The Real Deal. Okay, so let's open her up and see this eyeshadow palette. Okay, wow. First of all, the packaging is stunning. It does feel heavy and very like luxurious, like if it's really expensive. So let's see the inside. Oh wow, I really adore this color, especially for the fall now. It is the perfect nudes and brown. I really like this. It comes with a huge mirror, and these are like my favorite colors, like on the go, like on a day-to-day basis. So I like that. And this palette actually reminds me of another brand, so it's stunning. I really like this. Next we have 111 Skin, and this is the Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Booster. And yeah, it says that this ultra hydrating concentrate provides an instant moisturization boost to quench and replenish dry and dehydrated skin. Okay, after use, the complexion will appear plump, conditioned, and rejuvenated. Okay, I really like this. My skin is more on the dry side, so I could use all the hydration I could get. And this is one of the droppers. I really love this. I have gotten in Ipsy a few of this brand 111 Skin, and I know it's a really expensive brand, so I'm glad I got it here. Next, we have this two masks, and I haven't gotten a mask in a while in my subscription boxes, so I'm glad I got it. I need it, obviously. So this is from the brand eNature, and this one is the Squeeze Green. It's a watery sheet mask, skin refresh, facial mask, moisturizing plus refining with kale, parsley, and chlorophyll. And it's meant for all skin types. Now, this one right here, it's also from the brand eNature, and it's called Sika Herb, and it's a restore sheet mask, skin relief facial mask, soothing and softening Centella asiatica extract, and it's for all skin types. Okay, so both of these masks are amazing. Next, we have a powder, and this is from the brand Natural Lab. It's a perfect shine clarifying scalp scrub, color safe. Okay, so it's a scrub for the scalp. Oh wow, when I saw it, I immediately thought that it was like a facial powder, like a translucent powder. Thank God I read it and I didn't apply it to my skin, you know, to my face. I read it again to see the instructions. It says that it's a gentle foamy scrub that removes product buildup and impurities to reveal a natural shine. It says apply on wet hair and scalp, massage in circular motion, rinse, follow with your favorite conditioner. So wow, this is interesting. I've never gotten this, and I'm really happy because my scalp is really oily and my hair gets really oily if I don't wash it like within 2 to 3 days. So this is definitely going to help me. I like this. Next, we have from the brand H2O Plus, and it's a hydration sensitive gel cleanser. I really love gel cleansers as well as foaming cleansers. It suits my skin really well. So this is gonna come in handy, especially when I travel. I really like the sample sizes. I could put in my bag and don't have like to carry a lot of stuff or a lot of like items, and sample size items fit anywhere. Next, we have this product from Grace and Stella, and it's a spray all day rose spray hydrating facial spray. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so it's a pink spray, facial spray. And I believe this is the Sample Deluxe size. So it's pretty decent, like I like this size. Next, we have this lip gloss, and it's from the brand Nabla, and it says Shine Theory Lip Gloss. So let's open her up because I see something that I like here. Oh, and it's in the shade Renaissance. I see the handle, something like sparkle, so let's see. Okay, wow. This feels like really heavy and luxurious. Check out this packaging. It is stunning. This is like a clear with some sparkle glitter in it, the handle right here. And it looks like really gorgeous. And I just can't wait to try this lip gloss. Next product is from the brand Girl Actic. And this is the Glow on the Go. And it's, I believe it's like a highlighter stick. So let's see. Okay, yeah, it's a highlighter stick. The color is really pretty and light, and it's called Jet Setter. So it's a really gorgeous shade, and wait to try it. And the final product I have here is from Benefit Cosmetic, and this is the Bad Gal Bang Bigger Batter Volumizing Mascara. And it's one of those Sample Deluxe size. Really nice. And I have heard Benefit has amazing mascaras. So yeah, I'm glad I got this. And that's it for this month. We got like a variety of products for hair, for skin, for makeup. I really like this month. It was like a well-balanced amount of products. And yeah, thank you so much, Ipsy, for sending me this wonderful package. Thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know in the comment below what you got for your September bags. And I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye!